Okay, ladies, I have a quick and easy pho recipe that is perfect for soup season, low calorie, and full of veggies. So first you're going to do is start with some beef paste, some chili oil, rice noodles, and this is key. This soup stock cube, you can find this right at H Mart. Then you want some sriracha, hoisin sauce, and let's get started. So in a pot, add about 1 to 2 cups of water with 1 cube of your stock, some kale, and then about half a teaspoon of the flavored paste and some fish sauce. Let that simmer, and in a separate pot, you're going to add your rice noodles. Let that cook for about 5 minutes. Rinse with cold water, keep them firm, and then you want to slice up all your veggies, white onions, green onions, jalapenos, basil, bean sprouts. Go ahead and assemble your bowl and add your broth, chili, oil, sriracha, and about a half a teaspoon of hoisin sauce. When I tell you this is so flavorful, you can add any type of veggies or protein that you want. So if you want to see more quick, easy, clean recipes, be sure to comment below, like, and share with a friend. Stay fabulous.